Saan nga ba ako dadalhin ng aking mga paa? Tara, samahan niyo ako at tayo ay maglakbay sa ating pinakapopular dito sa Hong Kong. Ito yung Big Buddha. So, ito ay located sa Lantau. Basta nakakapagod pala yung Big Buddha. Ay, so ayan, konti na lang. Ito na yung Big Buddha. Finally. After mga ilang hagdan. So, ayan din. The Big Buddha is a large bronze sculpture of Buddha, completed in 1993 and located at Ngong Ping near Polin Monastery on Lantau Island, Hong Kong. The Big Buddha was constructed beginning in 1990 and was finished on December 29, 1993, which the Chinese reckon as the day of the Buddha's enlightenment. When the image was completed, monks from around the world were invited to the opening ceremony. On 18 October 1999, Hong Kong Post Office issued a definitive issue of landmark stamps, of which the 2 Hong Kong dollars and 50 cents value depicts the Big